Something new is happening in Nigeria and it affects almost everyone earning money. The government has introduced a new tax law, and whether you're employed, self-employed or running a business, the change matters to you. But here's the problem. Most people don't actually understand what this new tax law means. And when people don't understand something, they usually either panic, ignore it or make costly mistake. So in this video, I'm going to break down everything in a simple way that anyone can understand. No legal jargons, no complicated explanations, just clear, straight information. So let's start with the basis. What is tax? A tax is simply a percentage of money you pay to the government from your earnings or your purchases. And under this new tax law, the system is being made more structured and more digital. What does this mean? It means the government wants better tracking of incomes, better compliance, and fewer loopholes. Now, the first major thing you need to know in this is this. If you earn money in Nigeria, you are likely part of the tax system. This includes salary earners, business owners, freelancers, and even people earning online. However, not everyone pays the same amount of tax. This is because Nigeria uses what is called a progressive tax system. And in a progressive tax system, the more you earn, the more you pay. This is designed to make the system fairer for everyone. Now let's talk about the most common tax as you already see every day. Value added tax, also known as VAT. VAT is a tax placed on goods and services you buy. So when you buy items in a store, eat at a restaurant or pay for services, part of that price already includes tax. Another important change is the shift towards digital tax systems. In simple terms, this means tax processes are now done online. You can file taxes digitally, make payments online, and businesses are encouraged to move from manual reporting as this reduces error and improves transparency. Now, here's something very important and you shouldn't ignore. Under this new system, penalties for tax evasion or non-compliance are way stricter. So it's very important you stay informed and compliant. Now let's talk about small businesses and freelancers. If you run a small business, this new tax system may require you to register and file a simplified tax returns. The idea is not to punish small businesses but to bring more people into the formal economy while keeping the process extra simple. And if you're a freelancer or someone earning online, this also applies to you. Your income may fall under the taxable earnings even though you earn online. But don't panic, there are exceptions and thresholds depending on how much you earn. The goal is not to overburden low income earners. So the next question is, what do I do with all this information? First, you understand your income level. Second, you know whether your earnings fall under the taxable categories. Third, stay updated with official tax guidelines. Because the truth is this, taxes are not just about paying money, they are about how a country funds roads, schools, hospitals, and infrastructures. So instead of ignoring it, the smart move is to understand it. Because when you understand the system, you avoid mistakes and make better financial decisions. And if there's one thing you should take away from this video, it is this: stay informed, stay compliant, and understand how this system affects your income. Because you wouldn't want all your earnings going to the government pockets. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.